Okay, we're back again. I've got the gear cluster inside in the main shaft. I set it, passed it through the lower bore in the case. What I'll be doing is, the first thing is, you're going to make sure that you get the middle main shaft bearing into its bore, and it slides in quite easily. And you can then take the retainer and put the 3 screws in there, tighten them, and that'll hold that bearing in place. Now here's the problem. That main shaft has a gap here. That bearing, right, is a press fit onto that shaft. So what I'm going to do is lift the case up and gently set it. I have some protective covers on my vise and gently set it so the shaft protrudes down. And then I'm going to gently tap on this nose part of the actual main shaft, and I use a plastic mallet, and it will seat onto that bearing to its appropriate location on the main shaft. And I'll show you that when I get that done. And then once that's done, then of course I'm going to take this and the input shaft and then place it on that cone in there. But make sure that you have your new bearing or use your old roller bearing and put them on there. I'm going to make sure I put a little bit of lubrication lube on these things, definitely, to make sure that everything is lubricated. And then once you put this on, you're going to have to press that bearing into its bore. And it'll take a little bit of effort, and it will go on a little bit of tapping. And usually what I do is just use a piece of PVC pipe that'll ring around this, and I'll just tap gently, and it'll seat itself. So anyway, that's it at this point, and I'll show you what it looks like when I've completed that task. Okay, good enough. Until the next video.